Ready to decode the enigma of the law of attraction? Welcome. Often misunderstood, this law isn't magic, it's a deep transformative force promoting control and life change. Remember, the law of attraction isn't hocus pocus, a powerful force that can revolutionize your existence. What exactly is the law of attraction? It's a principle where similar energies attract. It demands active participation, not passive waiting. This principle involves resonating positivity, affirming dreams, and working towards them. It's about cultivating positivity and taking inspired action towards achieving them. One of the primary reasons people seek to understand the law of attraction is the prospect of manifesting more wealth. It's a journey to holistic abundance. Wealth isn't just financial, it's multifaceted, a blend of health, relationships, career, and personal growth. Wealth isn't just money, it's whole life abundance. Health, relationships, career. If you're ready to embark on this journey of understanding the law of attraction, it's time to act. This universal principle is all-encompassing. To tap into its power, commitment, and proactiveness are needed. It demands more than wishing, it requires alignment of actions and desires. The universe, mysterious and vast, rewards those who dare to dream and act. So take the first step, prepare for life transformation with the real law of attraction code. Bonus alert, we're offering 3 rapid response extras, free of charge. An extended 60-day evaluation period is now available. Quickly click the link to seize this offer. Tap into the cosmos's limitless energy today. Don't let anything hold you back. The path to prosperity is here. What's stopping you? The journey to a life of abundance starts.